prior to today, I only had glimpses of paradise. Both days, it was pretty cloudy. It was supposed to be sunny today, so I dedicated the entire day to exploring the trails of paradise. I didn't know what to expect, but I was pretty happy with what I saw.
Hi there. It is Friday morning, I believe. So way over there is Alta Vista Trail, and there's Alta Vista Viewpoint Trail. And right over there you can actually see the switchbacks where it goes whoop whoop, meets back with the Alta Vista Trail. It's a nice sunny morning, finally. And way over here, in the middle here, is Pinnacle Point. And I didn't get up top of it, but there are little trails you can see down here, and it wraps around to the edge. So far still nice and sunny. It's supposed to be sunny until this afternoon, and it's supposed to rain, so I'm going to try to get out here by 1 o'clock. And some of the clouds are looking a little bleaker. Rainier was completely out for a while, and then some of the clouds came back. It's fascinating seeing the clouds hit the west side, and then the clouds go this way, and the east side, and the clouds go this way, and some of the clouds go this way. They go all over. But it seems to form a dome around there. A lot of pictures I see has that dome. It's fascinating. Straight ahead, there's a little dam-like structure over there, because that's the water that goes to Paradise Inn in those buildings, and the water is delicious. So it does come from here. There's a little structure over there. I guess maybe it does something, monitors the water levels, reports back. Pretty cool. There is a little trail there. Looks like snowmobile trail that goes all the way to it, but there's no walking trail or anything like that. But so that's what makes the water taste good. Now I know. When you're up here, it's easy to just look at Mount Rainier, but then you gotta look on the other side, and it's just as beautiful. All the little ridges and mountains around here. It's stunning out here. Such a beautiful day too. I'm getting hot just standing here. The sun is cooking. Woo! It is still summer after all. Man. And then off over here is Rainier itself. Hey look, the Golden Gate Trail has a little creek crossing. Lots of rocks though. If you look up, you can see all the switchbacks you get to go up. Bam, 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 bam. Whew. That's always fun. I keep saying it, but I think I'm going to have to say it again. It's pretty amazing up here. I'm almost up where I have to start going west to get to Panorama Point, but we're above a lot of the clouds. It's amazing. We're at 6,400 feet. Oh, what's funny is right down there is Paradise Inn. Like, it's like right down there like nothing. Although I feel like I climbed quite a bit, but you know, not in the best shape. Anyway, it's my third day here. I think I could easily spend another couple of days here. There's so many great opportunities to do some time lapse. Wake up before sunrise, catch the sunrise coming over all those. That's the thing with coming here. The chances of you getting great video and great scenes and great photos, it all depends on luck. You can check the weather forecast before you leave, but still iffy. The only way you can get good pictures is to just keep coming here. Spend a lot of time out here, and maybe you get lucky, like I did. In some ways I regret not doing a Wonderland Trail, but I think it's given me a lot of time to do more of these scenic hikes. Hey look, from here you can see a mountain way over there. I wonder what that one is. Someone said that they could see Mount Adams from here, but I don't know what direction it's at. So that would be almost south? Huh. But as you pan around, it's just so beautiful out here. The sky, the view is so clear. You could see ridges just so far away. And then with the mix of snow and the trees, the dark colors, and the rocks, it just brings out the contrast. It's like the middle ones are kind of hazy, but look at the far ones covered in white. Is there another mountain over there? I don't know. It's just insane. This is perfect weather to be up here. Why isn't anybody here? There's almost no wind, no precipitation. Sun comes out once in a while to warm you up. I'm trying to keep my mouth closed so I don't burn the top of my mouth, but gosh, everything's just so beautiful. I cannot get over it. Can't get over it. This is how I look now. The sun was starting to cook my neck, and I couldn't just have it cover my neck. It was getting too hot. So I gotta drape it over so I can still get a nice breeze. But that sun is cooking. Wow. It is, it's pretty hot. There's a few people down there. There's a whole bunch of people. That's how I look today. I like it. It's pretty sunny. I'm gonna burn my face. That's basically 2 feet of snow right there. Oh my gosh. It's that deep for a little while more, but it looks like it's a little better. Wow. Here's always an interesting part of the trail where it looks like the trail just goes whoop by switchbacks right up these rocks. But quite a view from right there. Let's go check it out. Oh gosh, the snow is so deep. I can't believe the guy just passed me. He had no poles. Nothing. Look at that. Beautiful switchback. There's that group of people who are training to climb. Taking a break, and there's the inn way over there. Here's the inn, visitor center. We are way above the clouds. 6988, 7,000 feet. I think some of the views are better lower because these clouds are below us. Yeah, you can't see as much. Let's keep going though. There's Mount Rainier. I'm much closer to it now. I'm on the high skyline trail. When you look down, you can see all the glaciers. You can see all the vertical ridges of it. Looking all bluish. Kind of bluish. Bluish grayish. That's real skiing right there. He's hiking up with his skis and everything. I saw someone else come down. There's ski marks coming down. That's how you do it. You ski down, you climb up. I see a lot of people come up here and they just come up here, take a couple of pictures and keep going. I've been on this hike for 3.5 hours now. I'm in no hurry to leave. I'm on my way down. I just passed Pebble Creek Trail intersection, and that's the trail that goes up to Camp Muir. And I'm going down the western side now, and I see this huge hunk of rock. I think it's a totally cool rock. Look at the texture in it. And on the other side, oh yeah, another awesome view. Can you imagine the lahar just flowing through that, seeing it? Look at how the glacier basically ripped grooves into the mountain here like that. Look, there's a marmot up top. There are a couple of marmots down there. Right down there. They're both staring at the hiker. Here's a funny thing. They have these ropes along some of these sections to help you walk. Look what I found here. There's a yellow rope right there. It's underneath the snow. Yep. There's a marmot right off the trail. Hey, you see, look how red his tail is. Sun's out, so he's enjoying this. Hi. I just chowing down on those plants. If that's what he likes to eat, there's a lot of it there. Eat away, winter's coming. See you later. Still on the trail. A cricket. A big one. What's he doing on the trail? How's he still alive?
As the rain cloud started in, I headed down, still marveling at all the views. If you get a chance to get to Paradise, I highly recommend it. And bring a water bottle to refill at the visitor center. The water is delicious, I tell ya. Just don't go on a weekend, it's really crowded. Before this trip, I'd never even seen a marmot before, but this little guy walked right by me. It's a great ending to a great day.